Yeah, man.
Yeah, what's up?
Hey, sorry, today I cannot submit. Because I'm tired already.
You mean by the assignment?
My brain is fried, bro. I can just do it tomorrow.
Yeah lah, we can do it tomorrow lah.
Right, okay, thanks, bro. Good morning, Dr. Randy. I am very sorry, but I won't be able to submit the assignment today due to an unexpected issue. I will ensure it is complete as soon as possible.
It's okay, Ilham, but make sure I get your assignment after this.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome, student.